Oh, is one but
In the FedEx truck?
no, he's
Oh my.
Oh, you're not gonna be able to turn here, honey.
yeah, well.
There's crap all over the road. I don't want you to turn here.
Oh, she's hurt. She got a bleeding arm.
Are they on that
Guy's
way?
car's down in the ditch.
What if her arm's broken?
Guy's car.
I see the car down in the ditch. Oh, she got a head on.
Should I call?
No, I'm sure somebody, the guy's on the phone right now, the FedEx guy is.
Oh, do you see all the air conditioning right there?
Yeah.
Wait, where?
No, that's why I didn't want you to turn here.
Oh, yeah.
It was orange, she said.
Look at the windshield. Hey, look at the windshield on the ground. My glasses. That's a whole windshield right there.
He was like yelling at her, or she was yelling at him. He goes, it was orange.
What was orange?
I just saw
The light.
windshield on the ground.
He said it was orange.
I just saw windshield on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ben, I know. There was a car in the ditch.
Oh,
I know I saw that. Wait, after we came.
it like just happened nanoseconds before we got there, guys.
Did you see it happen?
No.
We were
I just
there,
saw the
we-
stuff laying all over the floor.
We were there, we probably be added in there.
Added?